friends! Today we're going to be reading a story called How the Birds Got Their Colors. So this type of story is called an explanatory myth, and it's a story told by someone else or retold by someone. And it's a made-up story, but it explains how something could have came to be. So this is going to be a story about how the birds got their colors. Here's the title page of the book. I noticed that on the title page and the copyright page, there's not really much color. There's just this little symbol up here, which looks like maybe a bird. So we will see what the story's about. This is the story of how the birds got their colors. Long, long ago, in the dream time, when the land and animals were being made, all the birds were black, all one color, until one day a little dove flew around looking for food. He flew down to the ground to catch a big, juicy grub. So I noticed that there's a juicy grub, and the bird looks like he's gonna go after it. What do you guys notice about the style of the illustrations in this book? I noticed that the drawings are really simple looking, and it looks like they might have used paint to paint the drawings. But instead, he landed right on a sharp stick. It pierced his little foot and made him very sick. For days, he lay on the ground in pain. His foot swelled up. He was dying. So here you can see the details of when he stepped on the stick and what happened as a result. All his mates gathered around to see how they could help. All except Crow. So I noticed that everyone is gathered around, but there's Crow. All except Crow. So I wonder what Crow is thinking and why he's not concerned about the dove. He just wandered around with his hands behind his back. Suddenly, the parrot rushed forward with her sharp beak, burst the little dove's swollen foot. So the parrot took its sharp beak and burst the foot. But I noticed that burst is written with these splatter marks all around it. So I think that could be showing what it looked like when the foot burst. Colors splashed out all over the parrot. Red and green and blue ran down her chest, wings, and tail. So look, now the parrot went from looking like this, black and white, to having all of these bright, vibrant colors. It splashed out all over the other birds. Some got red, some got brown, some got blue, and some got yellow. Some got spots, some got stripes. All got colors. All except Crow, who was standing away from the others. crow got no color at all. So look, Crow was standing away, so he didn't get splashed with any of the colors because he wasn't even standing by them. So that's how the birds got their colors. And as for the dove, he soon got better, thanked the parrot, and was able to fly away. The end. And here's a little picture in the end to show the person who originally told the story. So that's pretty cool. And that is the book called How the Birds Got Their Colors.